Before using the aerosol generator, connect the power cord first. Open the oil filling port, pour oil into it and pay attention to observing the oil level on the level gauge. Then connect the PVC reinforced hose to the aerosol outlet and tighten the hose clamp with a screwdriver. Aerosol generator is ready now. The upstream sampling hose of the aerosol photometer is an individual one, which is connected to the upstream sampling port. The other end is then be connected to the upstream testing port of the HEPA filter. The handheld probe is used for downstream scanning, and the connecting wire is a twin tube. Connect sampling hose to the downstream port. The communication cable is connected to the downstream communication port. The other end is connected to the corresponding port on the handheld probe. Aerosol photometer is ready. Before leak test, need to remove diffuser first. Connect the aerosol generator to the reserved fog injection port on the HEPA filter. Connect the upstream sampling probe of the aerosol photometer to the reserved testing port. Instrument connection finished. Press the power switch of the photometer. The instrument will enter the login interface. We can select users here and log in by entering the password of the corresponding user. After the instrument self-checks,
it enters the preheating interface.
After the preheating, it will enter the zeroing interface of the sensor, and then enter the main interface of the instrument, which mainly includes set, measure, query and maintain. In the set interface, you can name the inspected filter. In addition, you can set date and time, switch alarm and print, as well as select the type of aerosol. After setting, touch measure on aerosol photometer, then touch OK. Initialization will be carried out when the machine is turned on for the first time. After that, enter the upstream test first. The machine needs a zeroing first. Touch OK after zeroing. The instrument starts to work and draws air from the upstream sampling port. Meanwhile, we turn on the switch of the aerosol generator. At this point, we can fine adjust the concentration by pulling out the knob and rotating it. The concentration of air source will increase when pressurized. The concentration of air source will decrease when depressurized. If the aerosol concentration is still to be low, you can switch from 4 noses to 10 noses to increase the aerosol output. Then fine adjust by rotating the knob. When the concentration is stable, touch OK on the machine. After confirming the upstream concentration, we can touch downstream. We can edit the numbers of the HEPA filters in this interface. The alarm threshold of the leakage rate can also be modified. You can set leakage rate alarm value according to the requirements in the standard. The decision time can be set. The 5 seconds means that if the same point keep exceeding the set alarm value for 5 seconds, we will record that there is a leakage at that point. This can avoid false alarms. Real-time print interval is the print interval of the built-in printer. The upstream concentration is the value we detected in earlier process. If the upstream measurement cannot be completed, it can also be manually entered here. After importing all the required value, you can click Start. After zeroing, click OK to start the leak test. The interface of the handheld probe is synchronized with that of the host. You can control with the handheld probe. During the leak detection process, ensure that the aerosol generator is always on. Place the sampling probe at a distance equal or less than 3 cm from the surface of the filter under inspection and move it at a speed not exceeding 5 cm per second. Using overlapping strokes 1 cm recommended. When the printing function is enabled, the instrument will print data at the set intervals. Open the alarm. If the leakage rate exceeds the value we set, the instrument will automatically alarm. If the leakage rate consistently exceeds the set rate within the determination time, it will be determined that there is a leakage at that point. After the test is completed, you can tear off the printed strip and save it. The test results can also be queried by selecting the corresponding operation on the query interface. The queried records can be printed or exported through the USB port. You can check and print every single real-time scanning data, and also batch print or export all data.